Hi, welcome to Harley Classics, and today we're going to take this lovely Bedford CA milk float. Out for a drive. Let's get it started. Just test the brakes because it's very still a bit. Yep, she stops alright. Brake on. She's just a little bit cold there. There's a little bit of choke on her. Can't get used to not using the arm change on these. It's had it took off and put on the floor. Somebody's put a 4-speed box in, which is definitely a good idea, I think. And we're off. Gearbox is lovely and smooth. The first thing I've noticed there. Absolutely lovely gearbox that. Much better than the hand one. Much smoother. Third gear there, it's pulling nicely. In the top. All gears are working nice there. Back down the gears into third. Second. No crunching, which is always nice. And we'll just go around here in second. And we're off. Into third. Fourth gear. Yes. Both sides of the gear is nice. It's not all over the road. Put the wipers on. Wipers are working. Go through the lights and horn indicators were working before. Horn works. Probably get somebody stopping us up the road for a pint of milk, but that's the way it goes when you drive a milk float, I suppose. Always brings out the smiles in people. So there you go, we're doing 40 miles an hour there. I don't know whether it'll do a lot more than say 50, but it's nice and comfortable at 40. It's not all over the road. Pretty much nice and straight. Temperature's just starting to rise there now off the cold. It's exactly what you'd expect. Indicators there flashing nicely. Back down the gearbox. This is definitely, and the brakes are good as well. This is definitely a good thing, this gearbox. I really like it down here. I wasn't sure how I was going to react to that. Like I say, I'm used to them on here, but no, it's definitely a good addition that. Through the gears. We'll knock them indicators off. Just running along there nicely. Third gear. In the top and it's pulling nice. I remember having one of these, the newer model than this, the Bedford CA, which took over from the CA, and I thought it was a great truck. We had a bigger engine in, obviously a 2.3, but similar setup to the engine down here. I've got one criticism, it's the one I have on all old vehicles, the mirrors are tiny. You might as well be looking in the shaving mirror. But it's definitely pulling okay, driving nice here. This is one of the test routes we always go on. It's Head Village. People that were local will know where it is. Again, no crunching, straight into first gear there. Now we go. I keep looking for the gears, sorry. Yeah. It really is a nice little drive. These roads is exactly what this truck was made for. I think this is why we use it as our test route. And she's round. Well, that's third gear. And she's away in third. There's a bit of noise in the cab, but obviously things are rattling about and you've got like, I don't know, 100 milk bottles on the back rattling, so if there's a bit of noise in the cab, that's probably what it is. But we're pulling up a good hill here, and I'll get it in the top. She's away there now, pulling up. It's fourth gear. This would have had a 3-speed in originally, I think, same as the other one we've got, the van. Like I say, that 4-speed gearbox will give it that little bit extra range. I'm not sure whether they were ever built for the 4-speed. I think they were, the later ones. I know the CFs were. Some of them had a 5-speed in. Again, the brakes are nice and sharp there. These vans have got a great little turn and circle as well. I think that's why they were so good as milk floats. Yeah, this is the problem around here. We've got a lot of quarries. We've got some big wagons. We're out. Well, coming to the end of the test drive now, and goes really well. Exactly what I thought it would drive like. It drives like what it looks. Good. Anybody wanting a commercial that does 2-3 different things, this is the one for you. So if you can't make your mind up between a van and a pickup, buy this. You've got both. Right, I'll turn this up. Right, there you have it. The Bedford CA 1966 milk float. Or is it a van or a dropside? You decide. But I know one thing, if you can't decide, this is definitely the truck for you. Bye-bye now.